Hey guys, welcome to another video. In this video, I want to talk about like how you can start an online business with by leveraging a concept called as compound effect. And I already did a video about this, but in a different way. So I'll cover everything in this video. So please make sure you stay till the end. And also, if you're brand new to my channel, my name is Sachin, and I'll be documenting my journey on this channel. And also, I'll be creating videos on how to grow your online business with affiliate marketing, how to create sales funnel, and email marketing. So if you are interested, please hit that subscribe button, and let's get started. So before I actually talk about today's topic, be sure to check the link in the description. A program by my mentor Sebastian Gomez. It's a program work with Sebastian where you actually get to promote a very high ticket and recurring commission program, and also you're gonna get all the resources you need. Be sure to check it out. And coming back to today's topic, like how you can leverage the concept called as compound effect. So this is just my story, like back in 2019 when I was starting with my online business. So I was trying to do too many things. I already spoke about this a lot. Like I used to try to do blogging, and I used to write articles, and then I wanted to do funnels. I used to create funnels and email automation, and I wanted to do Facebook ads, and too many things. Like I learned Google ads. So too many things were running and nothing was working. But the major thing that is missing, and most people don't talk about it, like this is something called as momentum. Like this is very important in your business in order to succeed. And once we start, like you come up with a huge expectation that this is going to change my life, and like everything is going to happen. And when we don't see those results, like we start going low, and we actually stop doing the things like we are supposed to do. So instead of focusing on the end result, like maybe it could be a 10K a month, or maybe a 20K a month, whatever your goal is, like instead of focusing on that, like you just make a list of things that you want to perform in a certain day, and bare minimum, like you need to try to accomplish them. If not, like you need to improve, maybe try adding more things to that list. And once you start doing that certain set of tasks for a certain amount of time, like it's gonna create like that massive momentum in your business. And that's what compounding concept is. Like it can be applied to our daily lives, and it can be applied to any form of our life. Compounding is you can do it in a very good way or in a bad way. Like for example, if you have credit cards and you're not paying your credit cards, the bank is going to charge you interest. Like it's compounding, like it goes like anything. And if you're maybe if you're investing in somewhere, the compound interest, you can see the massive results in the long run. Similarly, I heard this example in one of the videos by Jacob Carris. Like he's one of the 7-figure affiliate marketer whom I follow like on YouTube. So where he gave a simple example of like let's consider a flying from Bangalore to London. And I don't know how many distance is there between Bangalore and London, but let's say the flight is about to take off in Bangalore, and but the airplane is taking place 1 degree slight, in the wrong direction, just 1 degree, and nobody's noticing that in Bangalore airport. And because it's just 1%, and it's nothing, nobody could find it. And once the flight goes like 1000 kilometers per hour, like after 2-3 hours, like people started like noticing that the plane is actually 150 miles away from actually where it was supposed to be. So as you can see, like this example is highly relevant in your online business as well. So in order to do those daily tasks as well, you need to have the right mindset in the beginning. And if you don't have that right mindset in the beginning, maybe in the long run, maybe it could be very little in the beginning, but in the long run, like it's gonna impact you big time. So be sure, like whatever task you're writing to do on a daily basis, be specific. And it could be simple task as like right now one of my tasks is like recording 1 video a day, uploading 1 video a day, and working on my getting exposure on Facebook. And like it could be on like I want to work on my mindset and personal development. I'm spending time on that. I want to work on my health, my fitness. So I'm spending some time I have sometimes dedicated for that. These simple things, like I started writing down in my business and even in my personal life as well. And once I start taking them like on a daily basis, maybe you may not see the results immediately, instantly, because everybody expect things to happen. Sometimes it may happen, but like in the long run, like if you keep doing these simple things on a daily basis, you will see the massive momentum in your business, and maybe you could see the results earlier than you expected. So this is one of the very simple concept. Like most people try to overcomplicate this, and I was one amongst them in the when I started my journey. Like, but right now I'm laser focused, and I'm just focusing on only one thing, like producing content and getting my exposure out there, creating my brand, and working on my health. And so these are simple tasks that I'm doing on a daily basis. This is actually giving me momentum and business as well. I mean, in my business as well. So one more task you can add is, like, it could be building your list, or it could be improving your funnel, or like be crystal clear. Like there are certain steps that you want to add in your list, and be specific and start doing them on a daily basis. Once you do them on a daily basis for a certain amount of days, like it becomes a habit, and these are very good habits, and this will really help you in your business. So this is a short video I wanted to shoot because I came across this concept from Jacob's video. So I hope you got value from this video, guys. And if you need any help with your affiliate marketing business, like if you want to get started, be sure to check out the program created by my mentor Sebastian Gomez, where you get to promote high ticket offers and recurring commission programs. And also you're gonna get all the training that is required, and it is one of the badass affiliate program you're ever gonna see. And also I'll come up with one more video, more detail on this program, and you are gonna get all the resources. Everything is included in that program. So be sure to check it out, and I'll see you on the next one, guys. Thank you.